Well, it's a beautiful summer day here, and I'm at my friend Neil's place. Now, he's got a 100-acre farm here, and he's got a bunch of trees. We got a bunch of cedar trees, locust, and we had some weather roll through maybe a couple weeks ago. We've been having quite a bit of wind, late spring, early summer here. So we got some yard cleanup, a bunch of limbs that got tore off, and so I have a 4003 on the back of my Kubota B2650, and I got a fun little buggy here that I'm excited to play with a little side-by-side. So we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna go back to the bush. I think it's pretty wet, so we'll try not to get stuck. But this video is all about just having fun and showcasing why a 4003 on a 100-acre farm like this can be really useful if you got a bunch of trees and maybe a forest and you wanna build some trails. That's what this chipper is really good at. So let's get into it. Now you can see I got a really cool Chapman buggy or ATV trailer, and I love this trailer because it's fully galvanized. It's got a lithium-ion battery, pretty cool little setup. But because he's got these extensions on the top, I can't use my rear hitch in the chipper. Now, if it was my trailer, I would go ahead and just take this extension off the front here. But in this case, we have a side-by-side to use. We're gonna blow the chips in the side-by-side, and when it's full, we can just dump it as well too. But if it was my trailer, I would temporarily take that front extension off, and I'd blow the chips directly into that trailer, and it would work great. And because I'm running the chipper, I like to run some earplugs. Some muffs would work too, but these things aren't quiet. These are machines, that rotor's ripping, so it makes a bit of noise. If you don't have a pole saw, I would highly recommend getting one. I mean, I never had one for a long time, but then I used one around the farm, and I use it so much, way more than I ever thought. So super handy piece of equipment, makes work real easy. Good enough here. Let's see if we can't find the next spot. We're going to stay in the shade as much as possible. It's a hot day, but it's also a little bit of breeze. Can't complain. Ready to roll? Stuff like this, I won't have to cut that off with my little pole saw. I can just throw it right in the chipper. It might struggle a little bit, but it's a lot faster than taking the pole saw out. Tipping stuff like this sucks. It's just little scraggly, but the 403 will take care of it. It's not easy, but on another chipper, you would not chip this. I'd say it's a good load of chips. We're gonna go figure where he wants us dumped. And we got some branches over there, some locust. Let's shut this tractor off and go for a little ride. Well, we got a little storm damage here. Let's see if we can just push that branch out of the tree a bit with the tractor here. Still pretty on. I don't know if it's going to come off. Maybe I can push up and pull it. Either and dent my hood, so. Good enough before it lands in my face. That'll work. Well, we'll try that. it's all so scraggly and jagged on the ends, but it shouldn't be too bad. Well, that is good enough for today. It's 12 noon and I am sweating my face off. It is a little too warm out here today, and but I'm happy with what we got done. We got a whole bunch of cedar done, a bunch of this locust. You'll notice that locust is real scraggly. It's just the way locust grows. But the 4003 is really good at still getting all that scraggly stuff and getting it down that big opening and chipping it up, which is one of the benefits of a 4003. So if you saw something that piqued your interest, head over to split-fire.com. We have this 4003 model along with the high cap on the front of this tractor as well. And you can see the specs and details down below. If you got some comments, leave them down below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and stop in at the Split Fire YouTube channel to see more videos just like this. Take it easy.